Alright, let's talk about something that can seriously level up your Cyberck. These 2020-2025 pedal covers. Now I know what you might be thinking. Pedal covers. Really? But trust me, these aren't your grandpa's stick-on accessories. First off, the fit is absolutely perfect. They're precision-engineered specifically for the Cyberck, so you don't have to worry about any weird gaps or vibrations, even when you're cruising at highway speeds. They claim they've been rigorously tested, and honestly, it shows. But it's not just about looks. These things are built to last. We're talking aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, CNC machined for maximum strength. They've got a hardness rating of 58 HRC, which basically means they can take a beating. Plus, the corrosion-resistant coating means they'll hold up against road salt, brake dust, and even extreme temperatures. And get this, they're lighter than steel, which helps with heat dissipation. Security is also a big deal. They use stainless steel locking brackets and anti-vibration screws to keep everything in place. The clip design is patent pending, and they claim it maintains a super tight tolerance, even when you're off-roading. Best part: no drilling required. They say you can install them in about 15 minutes with basic tools. Aesthetically, these covers are a major upgrade. The dual-layer powder coating protects against stone chips and UV fading, so they'll keep looking good for years to come. And the wind tunnel optimized profile actually helps reduce brake dust accumulation. They come in Cyber Red and Cyber Yellow to match your Cyberck, with matte and satin finish options. But here's where it gets interesting. They claim these covers improve aerodynamic efficiency around the wheel wells by 15%. I'm not sure how much of a difference that makes in the real world, but it's a cool bonus. They also come with a 5-year limited warranty and 24/7 support, which is always a good sign. Plus, they include a vibration-dampening shim kit and touch-up paint for perfect color matching. Overall, these Cyberck pedal covers are a surprisingly impressive upgrade. They're durable, stylish, and offer a few unexpected performance benefits. If you're looking to add a touch of personalization and protection to your Cyberck, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.